Did you know that bristlecone pine trees, found in the White Mountains of California, can live for over 5,000 years? These ancient trees have witnessed millennia of history, making them living time capsules in nature. Ever wondered about the whispering gallery effect? In certain architectural marvels like St. Paul's Cathedral in London, whispers at one end of the gallery can be heard clearly at the other end. It's like a secret passage for sharing words across space. Follow Daily Glimpse for daily fascinating facts.